2022 Cadillac XT5. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.